Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This is Mrs. Alkavati Magdum, Assistant Professor, Abhinav College of Computer Science and Management, Pune. Now I am going to discuss on the topic data structure and algorithm using C. This course covers detail and to the point of explanation under this particular subject. The topic will be like this. So now we shall go for the introduction. So introduction to the data structure and algorithm analysis. Arrays, linked list, stacks, queues, trees, graphs and hash table. So in the introduction topic we will study the algorithm analysis, need of the data structure, definition of the data structure, abstract data type and use of the data structure. Let us suppose against a particular variable we want to keep a variable name, then I want to store different values inside the computer memory, then array will be the suitable data structure. In this topic, we will come to know the different operations on the array and different applications of the array such as searching and sorting techniques. For example, in searching, we study linear search, binary search, etc. In sorting methods, we discuss the bubble sort, insertion sort, quick sort and merge sort, etc. Suppose I want to have an applications where frequent insertion and deletion will take place. Then I have to suggest one data structure which is suitable to perform insertion and deletion operations on it. Later, we will discuss that required data structure will be the linked list. The data structure where first in last out will take place, so stack will be the particular data structure where we can perform different operations on stack and will study its applications also. First in first out where queue will be the data structure. In this we will discuss how queue is going to implement, what are the different operations on queue and its applications too. Suppose I want to represent my family hierarchy and I want to represent a designation hierarchy of a company, then obviously we should go for the data structure known as a trees. In this we will study how to represent tree, its implementation, operations and applications of tree. Let us suppose we want to know what are the different flight routes available in the country. For that particular information to be stored, then the suitable data structure will be the graph. In this topic, we will discuss how to represent the graph, what are the different terminologies used and what are the different applications on that is graph. Suppose identifying a particular object from a group of similar objects, then we go for defining hash table. For example, student unique ID to retrieve information from the student records. In this, we will discuss different terminologies and functions. So, along with them, we will be solving and discussing previously appeared questions and some probable get questions in the coming exams. These questions will also help you to solve for both theory as well as practical exams. I think this particular subject video will help you a lot and enrich your knowledge. So in the next video, we'll start the data structure and its classifications. So keep watching this video in sequence. Thanks for watching my video.